we just planned that I'd get here early in line, and then my husband brought the kids down right when they opened the doors.
Hundreds of people watched the sunrise while they waited in line to get an H1N1 vaccine. It turns out some of them could have slept in. Good evening, I'm Tori Brunetti. Spokane's first large-scale swine flu vaccination clinic attracted large crowds, but closed its doors with some extra vaccine left over. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey joins us live at the Spokane Arena. Jeff, initially health officials thought they would run through their supply really quick.
And Tori, they did in fact run out of the 800 flu shot injections they had, but they managed to save a fair amount of the nasal spray. The clinic here at the arena attracted about 2,000 patients, and the people who received the vaccine were very happy to get it. Some people even camped out the arena parking lot to make sure they'd have a place in line. Jason Grizzle had some very good reasons for making sure that his family got vaccinated.
Well, we got a pregnant wife who's just about ready to pop, and then a disabled son, so I don't want either one of them to get it. I don't want to bring it home, and so this is definitely worth it. By the time the clinic was ready to open, hundreds of people had gathered outside the arena. The crowd was very patient and polite with each other, and almost all of them had existing medical conditions that could have been made much worse by the swine flu.
Just because all three of us have asthma as an underlying condition, and I work in the medical field, so we wanted to make sure and get it early. You
can go ahead and go in.
Once inside the arena, patients filled out forms to make sure they were eligible.
You're over 25, you need to have an underlying condition. Leonard
Davis was turned away because at 70, Davis is not considered high risk.
According to what they told me in there, that we're actually immune to this flu that they're afraid of right now.
Swine flu may not afflict very many seniors, but can be really tough on kids and pregnant mothers. Cammie Winfrey is expecting twins and needed a flu shot versus the nasal spray.
Only flu mist left. We have no more injectable.
Unfortunately, by the time that Amy Kenagy had reached the front of the line, the district had run out of its 800 swine flu injections.
They don't have enough vaccine for us pregnant women, so.
But you're still here in line.
I'm still here. My family's going to get it, so they can't bring it home to me until I can get the vaccine.
So, Tori, now the health district will be taking its 1,500 nasal injections, the nasal vaccines that they did not use here, and be using them at a series of other clinics. They're going to start on November 2nd. For more information about when and where those clinics are occurring, you're going to go to KXLY.com and click on news links. Even if you did not receive a vaccine today, now about 14,000 people here in the Spokane area have received vaccines over the past couple of weeks. So that means a lot of our friends and neighbors will not be contagious in the near future. Reporting live at the arena, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.